McDonald's is working tirelessly to bring back the beloved Szechuan sauce, and they're even launching a podcast about it. The McDonald's Szechuan sauce was brought back into the limelight when Cartoon Network's Rick and Morty dedicated an entire episode to the discontinued sauce. What is McDonald's Szechuan sauce? Well, I'll let Rick explain.
In 1998, they had this promotion for the Disney film Mulan, where they created a new sauce for the McNuggets called Szechuan sauce, and it's delicious.
That's right. The sauce was created for Disney's Mulan in 1998, and ever since Rick brought it up, people have kind of been going crazy for it. McDonald's even brought it back for one day in October, and fans were disappointed when they found out each location only received a limited amount, tweeting things like #GiveUsTheSauce, #Szechuan sauce, and one user even said #boycott McDonald's. Although some Twitter users are claiming the sauce might come back, with one user showing a photograph of what appears to be shipments of the sauce, and another saying the sauce will be released on February 26th. For now, fans will just have to settle for McDonald's new podcast, The Sauce. The sauce is supposed to answer burning questions regarding the Szechuan sauce. But it's safe to say most of us will just be waiting for the actual sauce itself, because after all, even aliens like it.
Wow, this sauce is f***ing amazing. You said it was promoting a movie?